Y'all want to see something? Look at this. Y'all see this cloud, man? I see it starting over there. Over here. Definitely a tornado cloud. Definitely a tornado cloud. I'm talking about sitting right over there. My house is right here. Right there. Right here. Should I be scared? No, I'm not. Definitely intrigued. But if it come out, I damn sure will know I will be in the basement. Okay. Oh, my. I'm just eating my noodles. Scared, ain't it? You ain't scared? It's clear! Clear! It was black. Yes, it was. The Lord. That's a big old cloud, though. It was heading to Springfield, look like. Y'all in Springfield, you better get your asses in the house. I'm about to get mine in the house. I don't care if it ain't one coming. I ain't trying to see nothing. Right. That's all for today. Maybe not. I'll be back. Putting my entry for Chicks and Soup. Y'all want to see me on Chicks and Soup? Let me know.